for you to explore this project. Coming to the introduction, actually what the deep neural networks, and the title of the project was Hospital Admission Location Prediction via Deep Interpretable Networks. What actually the deep neural network is? Anybody know here? Actually the deep neural networks is some level of complexity, contains of 2 layers, and is a part of machine learning. Deep learning takes a part of machine learning which is used to predict something, and it is used to design a model like linear regression model. Linear regression model predicts something of one variable that depends on another variable. And coming to our project, we have emergency department here, and this emergency department look after the availability of the bed and the emergency patients, their entry and discharge. And the main aim of this project is, actually nowadays there are many emergency cases, and if emergency and there is no treatment will be provided in time, it may lead to death. So this made us to do this project, and the emergency department predicts availability of the beds through online, and we have created the web page here. And coming to the existing literature, patients will be monitored after they are admitted into the hospital, and whether the patient don't know there is an availability of bed or not, unless and until they get admitted into the hospital. So our project made available online for the emergency patients who need emergency care, and it provides for timely care, and it provides the relevant departments, and we have 7 departments here, and based on the health status of the patient, the emergency department is divided into many wards. Now my teammate will explain why we have done this project and what made us to do this project. Yeah, Shifa.
A very good morning to everyone present over here. So, as my fellow teammate has told the exposed system and the purpose of why we have chosen this system, I will be explaining about the existing system. The main aim for choosing this project was, it was initially innovated for child pediatric center, because we don't know that how babies will be reacting for a few hours, and we may not predict what kind of feelings they have. So with that knowledge, we thought we'd be creating something like an emergency department, which will be easy for us to get admitted easily. But later on, as my personal experience, like as I experienced one of my neighbor, because of not getting admitted in a hospital, it led to death. So with that ideology, I thought why would not we take it to a next level, not only for babies but also for everyone. As in this existing system, we have implemented, we have created a website that which is usable for not only babies but also but everyone. This will help you to predict emergency departments, like availability beds in hospitals. So it will be easy for you. Like nowadays, we need to go to the hospital, write our OP and wait for hours and hours, and we may not know what will be happening to the patient who has that sudden health issue. So we have made it very easy. We have created a website so that while you are moving from your house to the hospital, you can just log in to the web page, you can register, and then you will having all the details. Like we have created a data set from the walk-in patients from 1 year. We have created a data set, and as you are already a patient who are admitted, once you just log in into the account, you'll be having all your data, you'll be finding what kind of timely care you need, and with that, it will be easy for the doctors and the emergency department to provide you the care which you are needed. And the advantages, I would say, it has enhanced the accuracy as we have used neural networks and machine learning. So the accuracy has boosted up from 21% to 91% by using conventional neural networks and machine learning. And the system requirements, I would say, we have used internal processor and hard disk 1 TB and RAM. I'll be talking about this is actually a DFT data flow diagram. The DFT is also known as a bubble chart because all these things are bubbles which are connected to each other with lines. These bubbles will having the information, and whereas the lines will tell the flow of the diagram. This is a class diagram, whereas the class diagram tells us about the class information, the attributes, and the actions that are done. This is the activity diagram which tells the flow of how it starts, that how they come inside, how they get registered, how they will be going to the next further step. Srilashmi will explain the module description.
We have used machine learning because it is used to predict something about